This 2018 Coachmen Catalina SBX 231RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachmen is 27 feet 5 inches in length and features sleep 6, water heater, refrigerator, smoke detector, DVD player, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, auxiliary battery, microwave, awning, spare tire kit, and 46 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Coachmen Catalina SBX 231RB is 4,556 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.